Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just want to show you this new toy I got here. It's called the Birdiebar, and what it is it's a measuring device to measure the height of cut on your reels. This is by the Parbar company. Looks like Warwick, Rhode Island. And this is a fancy new digital one. So basically what this does is it measures the height of cut by spanning your front roller and your rear roller, and then underneath there's a little cap that sits on top of your bed knife, and it measures the distance between the top of the bed knife and the bottom of the rollers. So when you set your height on this, you'll adjust right here, and I'll just to so you can see this thing react, I'm just going to adjust this quarter of a turn, and you'll see I'm now lowering this roller down, which raises the height of the cut, and you can see this thing going up. So what it's doing is it's measuring the difference back here between the top of that bed knife and the roller. So this is our new fancy toy that actually replaces this analog dial. So this is basically the exact same thing, except it uses analog gauge, and you can see we're at 130 here, same as we were over there. And I'm going to just show you really quick how this one reacts. So if I turn the reel, you can see, turn the adjuster, you can see that roller is being pushed down, and it's raising the height of cut by turning the adjuster. So I've been using this for about 5 years. It's worked well. I've had to disassemble it once and clean it out. A screw fell off the inside and got caught in the workings, so I fixed that. But the boss here bought me this fancy new one, so we're going to give this thing a shot this season and see how we like it. Birdiebar. I recommend you get one for setting up your reels. It's a great device. Thanks for watching.